Hey everyone, happy Sunday. I hope everybody had a great Halloween, whether you did something fun or just stayed in. I hope it was a good one. So today is a little bit of a different video I have for you today, and that is that I've been asked to be a part of the Tremblay's Paper Shop design team. Tremblay's Paper Shop is a shop on Instagram and also on Etsy, and it's run by Karen Tremblay. And she asked me, along with 3 other talented ladies, to be a part of her new design team. And I'm really excited. This is my first time being asked to be a part of someone's design team. And so I didn't know what to expect, but I was so happy to receive this amazing package from Karen. I feel like she really spoiled the design team with some really lovely items, and definitely items that I'm going to use and that I already do kind of incorporate into my work. So it was really nice to have this sort of stock of lovely vintage paper items to use. So here I'm just unboxing what she's sent me, and yeah, I'm just kind of showing you a couple of the items here. I love that she sent lots and lots of tickets. I love little tickets. It's just like the perfect little sort of journal accessory to kind of clip into your journals, and also use them in collage and things like that. Now here, this package, this one is the one that got me really excited. So Karen has this amazing knack for finding the most rare vintage labels and the most sort of unique things that you don't see in every shop. So particularly her pharmacy labels, I just love them. I feel like she kind of gravitates towards certain types of typography and fonts and styles of vintage things. I feel as though, from what I've noticed from her, and this is my opinions prior to being asked to be on her design team, was I always kind of saw her shop as somewhere that was very curated. She doesn't just sell anything, I guess you could say. It's sort of very specialized and curated. So I'm just showing you a couple of the really cool labels that she sent, and there's a couple of really tiny ones. Here's one little tiny, and yeah, I think I'm going to show a couple of the smaller little tiny ones that just melt my heart and are my absolute favorite part of this package. And you wouldn't believe it because there's just so many other really cool things and larger things, but the little tiny labels, that little 6-pack right there, little square, I love those. I can't wait to add these little tiny gummed labels to my tags and things that I make. So yeah, I just wanted to point those out as something that she shared with me. And then in this package here, she's sent me some tags. And I apologize if you can hear a dog barking in my voiceover. I've got my dogs barking at other dogs outside, so sorry if that sound is a little distracting. So these I think would be something cool to alter, since they're just blank. So you could just add maybe a cool stamp or something to, or even one of those little tiny labels, add the tiny label to the tag. There's lots of different ways to embellish a sort of otherwise plain tag. So in this package here, I believe there's some pharmacy receipts and other little train ticket receipts and things. So lots of just really cool ephemera. This one's kind of like an onion skin paper. So yeah, you can see here just lots of different little tickets and receipts. So as you can see, Karen kindly sent me a really nice array of little things that I can use in my projects. So thank you so much, Karen. I really appreciate the opportunity to be a part of your design team and look forward to playing with these little vintage items. And Karen has kindly given me a discount code, which will be in the description box for you to use on your Etsy purchases. All right, guys, thank you. Bye.